greatest success in all ventures. Massive transmit the shield and even destroy life. But only the unseen power of love can open the hearts of men.
And until I master this
And until I master this art, I will remain no more than a peddler in the marketplace. I will make love my gracious weapon, and none of my fault and defense against his voice. My reasoning they may counsel, my speech they may distrust, my powers they may disapprove, my face they may betray. And
even my bargain.
even my bargain was with suspicion, yet my love will not all hearts pleasing son.
Soften the cold slate. Soften the cold
Soften all this day. I will break this day with love in my heart. Henceforth will I look on all things with love, and I will be born again. I will love the sun, for it warms my bones. Yet I will love the rain, for it cleanses my spirit. I will love the light, for it shows me the way. Yet I will love the darkness, for it shows me the stars. I will welcome happiness, for it enlarges my heart. Yet I will endure sadness, for it opens my soul. I will acknowledge rewards, for they are my good. Yet I will welcome obstacles, for they are my challenge. I will read this day with love in my heart. And how will I act? I will praise mine enemies, and they will become friends. I will encourage my friends, and they will become brothers. Always will I dig for reasons to applaud. Never will I start for excuses to gossip. When I am tempted to criticize, I will bite on my tongue. When I am moved to praise, I will show from the roof. Is it not so that birds, the wind, the sea, and all nature speak with the music of praise for their Creator? Cannot I speak with the same music from His children? Henceforth will I remember this secret, and it will change my life. I will greet this day with love in my heart. And how will I act? I will love all manners of men, for each has qualities, to be admired even though they be hidden. With love, I will tear down the walls of suspicion and hate, which they build around their heads. And in its place will I build bridges, so that my love may enter their souls.
I will love the ambitious. I will love the ambitious.
I will love the ambitious, for they can inspire me. I will love the failure, for they can teach me. I will love the kings, for they are but humans. I will love the meek, for they are divine. I will love the rich, for they are yet low. I will love the poor, for they are yet yours. Amen.
But how will I act? I will react.
I will greet this day with love in my heart. And how will I react to the action of others? With love. For just as love is my weapon to open the hearts of men, love is also my shield to impulse the arrows of hate and the spears of anger. Adversity and discouragement will beat against my new shield and will become softened to rocks.
My shield will protect. My shield will protect.
My shield will protect me in the marketplace and sustain me when I am low. It will uplift me in moments of despair, yet it will calm me in time of exaltation. It will become stronger and more protective, reduced until one day I will cast it aside and walk unencumbered among all manners of men.
When I do,
And when I do,
my name will
my
be
name will be raised high,
on the pyramid
high in the pyramid of life.
with love in my heart. Confront how will I act?
I will greet this day with love in my heart. And how will I confront each whom I met? In only one way. In silence and in myself, I will address him and tell him I love him. Though spoken in silence, this word will shine in my eyes, unwrinkle my brow, and bring smile on my lips, and echo in my voice, and his heart will be open. And who is there who will say nay to my goods? When his love fills my when his heart feels my love. And most of all, I will love myself. For when I do, I will jealously inspect all things which enters my body, my mind, my soul, and my heart. Never will I overindulge the requests of my flesh. Rather, I will cherish my body with cleanliness and moderation. What?
Never will I allow my mind.
Never will I allow my mind to be attracted to evil and despair. Rather I will uplift it with acknowledge and wisdom of the ages. Never will I allow my soul to be attracted to become thirsty and satisfied. Rather I will feed it with meditation and prayer. Never will I allow my heart to become small and bitter. Rather I will share it, and it will grow big and warm dear.
Henceforth will I love all mankind.
Henceforth will I love all mankind. Henceforth will I love all mankind.
From this moment
all hate
let from my veins.
all hate is led from my veins, and I have no time to hate, only time to love.
From this moment, I take the first step.
And from this moment, I will take the first step required to become man among men. For with love, I will increase my sales in 100-fold and become a great salesman. If I have no other qualities, I will succeed with love alone.
Without it, I will fail.
Without it, I will fail, though I possess all
The knowledge and skills.
the knowledge and skills of the world. I will greet this day with love, and I will succeed.
So easy!